Welcome to my little world. Today, let me tell you about me.
Hello everyone. My name is
Momo.
I am 9 years old. I am in grade 4. I have a happy family. My parents love me very much. I love singing songs and dancing. I have a lovely rabbit. Its name is Snowy. I am good at telling stories. I am a friendly and helpful child. I hope we can be good friends.
Thanks for watching. See you again in my little world.